You must have seen that when entering a site with our message, we use cookies. In this video, I will check what are cookies, what are the type of cookies, and manage them in the Chrome, Opera, Firefox browser. We also take a look at the cookie security. A browser cookie is actually a package of information that is stored in the form of a text file by website on the user's computer in order to identify the user. For example, without the need to enter the username and password, it will always remain on the login site. In general, there are two types of cookies. First-party cookie. Cookies that belong directly to the website you have opened. Third-party cookie. Cookies that are created by JavaScript codes to record user activities and are generally used for advertising services. Now I want to see the cookies stored in Chrome browser. To do this, from the Settings menu, Privacy and Security, select Cookies and Other Site Data. Third-party cookies can track us on the internet and they use them for advertising. So I prefer to block them. In this section, we can see the cookies in detail. And if we want to delete the site we are not sure about. You can also edit, delete, and block cookies with the Edit This Cookie extension. A hacker can copy the cookie between the computer and the site and replace his information with your computer's information and log into your account on the relevant website. Using incognito, you enter any site, none of your passwords, username and personalization are saved, and you have to reapply all these changes every time, which of course makes it difficult. And to see cookies in Opera browser, from the menu, Settings, Cookies and Other Site Data. As you can see, the options are similar to Chrome. And finally, to see the cookies in Firefox, from the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, you can see cookies and site data. You can also manage them. For more security, do not accept cookies on untrusted and unpopular sites.